Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to change Windows 11 Start menu color. Microsoft has made several changes in Windows 11 Start menu and taskbar. Now, you can change the Start menu background also. That means you can dress up your Start menu of Windows 11 with any color of your choice. By default, the Start menu uses black or white color. But now, you can use any color of your choice on the Start menu. However, changing the color of the Windows 11 Start menu will also change the color of the taskbar. Because, at least for now, the setting is combined with both the Start menu and taskbar. How to change the Start menu color in Windows 11? Before changing the Start menu color of Windows 11, make sure that your copy of Windows is activated because Microsoft does not allow you to personalize your PC on inactive Windows. You can check Windows 11 if it is activated or not, link provided in video description. Now, open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard. Then, click on the Personalization category from the left sidebar in the Windows settings. Next, select the Colors tab from the right side pane of Personalization. Now, scroll down to the bottom on the right side pane and turn the toggle on Next to show accent color on Start and Taskbar option. Now, the Start menu and Taskbar will wear the accent color which you have selected. To change the color, scroll up to see the accent color option. Select Manual from the drop-down menu of the accent color option. Then select any color of your choice that you would like to use. If you don't like any built-in palette color, scroll down a bit and then click the View Colors next to the Custom Colors option. Select the color of your choice here, and then click the Done button. Now, you can safely close the Settings app. The changes are immediately, and no need to restart your Windows 11 computer. The Start menu and taskbar of Windows 11 will now wear your custom color. How to automatically set the color of Start menu and taskbar on Windows 11? If you cannot decide which color you need or the selected color does not match your requirements, it is also possible to set Windows 11 to choose a color automatically from your wallpaper. Windows 11 will automatically use the accent color by picking a dominant color from your wallpaper. This option is handy for those who use Wallpaper Slideshow in Windows 11. To proceed with steps, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard. Then, click on the Personalization category from the left sidebar in the Windows settings. Next, select the Colors tab from the right side pane of Personalization. Now, scroll down to the bottom on the right side pane and turn the toggle on Next to show accent color on Start and Taskbar option. Now, the Start menu and Taskbar will wear the accent color which you have selected manually. To set the automatic color, scroll up to see the accent color option. Select Automatic option from the drop-down menu of the accent color. That's it. No more action is required. That means you can close the Settings app safely. Happy coloring! See you on next video.